here we go again. About 2 weeks ago, we had a haboob, they call it, major dust storm. And this one here has about a half mile to a mile of visibility. And it ain't that bad. Looks like that's a cop right in front of me coming this way, Border Patrol. Hide the phone for a second. Alright, but that's what it looks like. If you look that way, it's pretty good because that's all mountains out there. If you look that way, there's more mountains. And with the blowing, you can see it's everywhere. And me and my buddy Dan, we were out riding and it came through. We went home. It was bad, especially on an ATV and side by side, you just get tore up. But I had to go to the store, go to town, take the 24 miles there and back, round trip. Now I'm heading home to make some biscuits and gravy. But ain't this shit crazy? Like I said, we had the last one about 2 weeks ago,